Hello, today I will be showing you how to sew a Tom Bihn mask with adjustable ear loops without a lanyard. To make this mask, you will need 2 pieces of Tom Bihn's V1 template, 2 3-inch pieces of elastic, and 2 8.5-inch pieces of elastic. First, you are going to start off by sewing on the elastic. Take the 8.5-inch piece of elastic and sew one end onto the top. Then take the 3-inch piece of elastic and tie onto the bottom of the 8.5-inch piece of elastic. And then you are going to take these 3 ends of the elastic and sew them on here. So in the end, it would look like this. Now repeat on the other piece of fabric. Now that you have sewn on your elastics, finish sewing the mask as you would like a normal V1 mask. You are going to sew from here to here. I will be making this mask with a filter pocket, so following those steps, I will fold over the raw edges of the top of the mask and I will sew them down to create a clean edge. Finish your mask up by sewing along both sides. You are now ready to flip your mask inside out and it is ready to use. Feel free to also add a slot for a nose piece as well. To adjust the ear loops, pull on the longer strip of elastic at the bottom of the mask to tighten. Pull the other way to loosen. Thank you for watching.